Do not labor for food which perishes, but for food which endures to eternal life, which the Son of Man will give to you. For on him has God the Father set his seal. John chapter 6, verse 27. This is a HDX 2-gallon sprayer. And when we pumped it up, we were having trouble with this valve leaking. And it's a pressure relief valve, and you can twist it and let the pressure out. And so what I found was I needed to take this off, and so I just took this. It's kind of a special pair of pliers, but you could probably find something that will work, and put the ends of it on the black piece here and turned it, and I turned it so that that came out. And what was wrong was this little black O-ring on the top had come off, and it was, when I got to it, it wasn't there. And so I just went to like a hardware store and bought a O-ring and put it on there, and now it's holding pressure just fine. So it's number 5 O-ring, as you can see here.